everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are turning to True Beauty. But first of all, today's background actually मॉम ने मुझे दिया था ये पर्दे लगाने के लिए, मगर I just sit here and shoot my video. So today we are gonna turn in True Beauty makeup look. But first, let's do a quick transition from the series. Actually the comic book. So, do you have acne, spots, anything? No worries, we are gonna turn in True Beauty. Doesn't matter how many flaws you have. So, 1, 2, 3, just shoot. So, first we are going to use a primer. A primer for True Beauty is very important because you need to fill on these pores perfectly. And a really great hack I recently used in my K-pop video, which is using a purple color corrector. So use it and mix it with the primer, so it will be naturally create a tone up cream, so you don't need to buy that 2000 tone up cream. And also it is so pricey in India because it come from Korea, US something. So yeah, there's too much tax on that. So instead try this general hack with primer and purple. Any you can use a shadow as well, just use a really light one and blend it all over your face, and it will be naturally giving you that tone up brightened look, so you don't have to use foundation. And we are skipping it today because we are True Beauty. So what we are going to do, if you have any flaws especially under eyes, we are just going to use a simple concealer. So today's concealer will be a really gentle and perfectly matching to my skin tone.
She's not good for you, you're not good for her, and I
don't have the concealer as well, but whatever is left we are going to work with that. So I'm just doing it under my eyes because my eyes are really deep eyes, so even I don't have eye dark circles, still it shows that I have circles because my eyes are really deep sunken. Also around my skull, because somehow these two areas always have tan or darken somehow, I don't know. And over my eyes and around my downwards lips, that's it. So we are going to blend it, but what we are going to blend it with, because a natural look I have already used a really low amount, so I can blend it with the brush. If you use too much product, be sure to blend it with Beauty Blender, but I have already built it a really low coverage, so I'm gonna use a brush to have the maximum coverage from the concealer. So first I'm just blending it, and also the time till I talk to you, the concealer got a little time to sit on my skin. So give it a bit time every time when you use a concealer. Just give it some time to meet and talk to your skin and introduce itself. Then over it I'm going to use a sponge, because if there is any extra foundation concealer on your face, the eating sponge will eat the foundation or concealer. So just blend it with it, and also don't squeeze the sponge too much because that will not gonna work with makeup. Just as bouncy and supple it is, just use it like that and bounce back on your skin. Don't squeeze it too much, because that is gonna have a creasing kind of effect and will not create a really good look. And also when you after squeezing it, you will back it, it will be sucking that much of product. Now pray to your gods and start the eye makeup. Eye makeup is very important. You have to be as much subtle as you can. First shade will be going all over the eyes, and the second shade will be just in the eyelids. Then use a dark brown color and apply it on the eyes with a really small brush, and apply it in a triangle position, so the lash line will be nicely darkened up. So that's how the base eye makeup will be done. Then just use a light pearl shadow and apply in the inner corner. That is the eyeshadow finished. You can't mess it up, just use really low pigmented shadows. Then apply kajal or kohl, whatever you say, on your inner eye corners, and obviously eggshells are important. I know you can do that. I believe in you. So I'm not giving a tutorial on here. So after doing eggshell, also keep in mind, don't darken too much with brown color, because that is gonna create a dark circle. It's really funny how we cover everything, every dark areas, then we add the darkness to feel more revived living. So yeah, it's funny. However, now I'm just lining my lash line in a little stroke so I don't mess it up. Just doing a really subtle eyeliner, even you can skip it, and then use the eyelash just on the corner of your eyes and mascara on the lower lashes. Then I'm using, actually I have done a straight eyebrow, but because my eyebrows are naturally arched, I'm going to use a concealer to conceal the upper, to make it like a square shape, I guess that's how we call it. Actually this eyebrow I had it long back, a square shape, because it makes it look cute, but now I really love art shadows because I'm an Indian. Now I'm using a pink shadow from my eyeshadow palette, because I don't really own a light pink shadow blush, and applying it just on the apple of my cheeks, and apply it really little bit, because you are a true beauty, not an apple. So just apply a little bit and really push the blush on your skin, so everything will be really attached to your skin, not just falling off everywhere. So obviously if you use too much blush, don't forget to go over with a sponge. Then I'm using highlighter, and I'm highlighting the usual spots. I have told really good about highlighting in the my K-pop idol makeup, so you can see that and understand how actually highlight works when you are in a camera or something. If you're shooting for yourself, obviously you can keep in mind that technique. So for True Beauty, the highlighter is not in that much of in what to say, show. It is not in that much show, but a good skin with a nice kind of plumpy blush look is really, I think, the key to go for True Beauty look. However, we are all doing makeup to achieve the True Beauty look. That is so fake. So now I'm using a little one drop of concealer on my concealer brush, and I'm concealing my outwards of my lips. So when I apply the lip color, it will look like that Korean vintage, what is this called, I don't know, lip whatever lip. So blending with the brush all over my lips. Then I'm using this lip color. This is Pink Blush from Lakme 925 Cheek, a really old lipstick I have. So just applying it in the inner corner, then again with the concealer blush, blending it outwards and also in the middle. Then it will look like you need to do this step again and again till you have a buildable that kind of look. Because if you use the perfectly pigmented lipstick at first, you will be not able to blend it. And also when you are using a mousse or really creamy product, it really helps you to blend. Instead of using matte products, use this kind of things when you are want to achieve this kind of look. So now we are going to turn in True Beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't ditch me guys, just subscribe. Bye.